This simple device has proven to save lives. It can save a choking victim after all else has failed. It was invented by Arthur Lynn, a successful entrepreneur. Arthur's inspiration was his love of children.
While visiting a hospital, I noticed an empty bed. That's when I heard a heartbreaking story. A couple's 7-year-old son had choked to death on a grape. Abdominal thrusts had not worked. At the time, my little girl was also 7 years old. I said to myself, I cannot let that happen to her. LifeVac is an easy-to-use, plunger-like device. It works 100% of the time. To save a life, simply place, push, and pull.
A choking death occurs every 2 hours. Be prepared. LifeVac can save a loved one in seconds. It's safe and never fails. Store one in your house today.